Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much if this is your first time here. If you're returning, thank you for returning again. Life Nerd stands for my hunger for life knowledge. Sorry, right now I'm reading from a script. I will be posting every day, so please be sure to join. You can also follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok, and Facebook for whatever you have. But if you want to see my top 5 favorite shadows from this palette, then here we go. So everyone knows that this eyeshadow palette is one of his most hyped palettes to begin with. It's got some good colors. I'm super into these like reds and pinks and browns and whatever. But if we're gonna start from so I'm gonna do my 5 favorite shadows, probably from 5 to 1. So probably my 5th one is gonna be probably this one. I really like the color of it and how dark it gets. The only thing though is that it feels like not the best look. Like it doesn't, it's very dry. Like I feel like I have to scrape into it. But the color is beautiful. Like I love this like blood red shade. And then for my 4th one, it's probably gonna be this one. This one is Blood Sugar. It's a metallic red. When you touch it, oh my god, it's like the softest thing ever. Oh my god. The only reason that is my 4th is because I feel like I can't really use it a whole lot. Like I can't put it in the inner corner. It's just a little bit harder to work with. And then for my 3rd, it's probably gonna be Ouch. I really didn't think of it, but when I first saw it, it's kind of like, it's like an eyeshadow that can be like the whole look by itself if you want to go like super classic. With this shade, if you're light enough, you can blend this throughout the whole crease and then kind of create like just like a light shadow with it. And then if you want to stamp it onto the outer corner right here, it can get darker on its own. So I think that one is very good on its own. And then the other two, this shade right here. Oh my god. What is this called? Donor. This gold is insane. Watch. Very buttery, very metallic. Oh my god. That shade. So beautiful. This one you can put in the inner corner. You can put on the lid. You can put on the lid and just blend it out with a crease brush. That shade is so beautiful. Especially for being like a gold, you know? But anyway. For the last one. Can you guys take any guesses to which one is my favorite shade in the whole palette? It is actually this one. This shade, what's it called? Intravenous. is the most pigmented thing in this whole palette. Like, it's very soft too. Oh my god, this shade is crazy. It's kind of like a brown with like a hint of red. Let's see. Oh, you gotta be careful when you get this shade on your brush, because if you go in with even a little bit, the color will be there. But there's all the shades. I wish this one had this much pigment. It'd be way better. But right now I created like a soft wing with this one. And what else did I blend? I think it was that one and then Coma. So intravenous and then Coma. I kind of just put, I wish I pulled it in a little bit more, but that's for next time. And then look at that glow. I'm using my highlighter shade called Sandstorm. So there's that. That is that video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful night. I don't know how to end this.